This simple ADHD hack will totally change up how you organize and reset your house. It's such a game changer. One thing I've noticed when it comes to ADHD and organizing is that we tend to go big, right? Like we go all in on this whole idea of we're gonna organize all these things, all these areas of our house, and we get going, and then in the middle of the process we're like, oh my god, this is a lot of work, and our brains start to freak out, and or maybe just mine, I don't know, and our brains start to overthink and then start to stress out, and then you're basically like, oh my god, what did I do? I have giant messes all over the place. All I wanted to do was reorganize my house. So I want you to try this one trick. It is a 1-minute reset, and I know it sounds so crazy. 1 minute, what am I gonna do, Jessica? Well, seriously, you can totally reset your house in 1 minute. So hear me out. When you start to feel the overwhelm of all the clutter piling up, set your timer for 1 minute and then just see how much you can put away, because most of the time the clutter that's sitting out is just things that need to be put away. Nothing crazy. You don't have to reset everything. It's just over time things don't get put back where they need to go, and so you just need a good 1 minute reset. I do this with the kids all the time. If everyone's ugh, getting antsy, if it's too chaotic in the house, if I can tell my brain is just spiraling, if the kids start fighting with each other, it is so easy to be like, okay, we're doing a 1 minute reset. I want you to see how many things you can put back where it belongs in 1 minute. And we try and beat the timer, like the clock on the phone or on the Google or Alexa or whatever you use as your timer. By doing this one trick, it is going to retrain your brain to look for things that are out of place, okay? And so when you retrain your brain to look for things that are out of place, it's going to be easier for you to put things back where they belong, because you're going to start to see, oh, this glasses case doesn't belong here. This needs to go upstairs. Oh, this pen belongs in this location. These scissors don't belong in here. Glue sticks don't need to be in the laundry room. Whatever it is, you're going to start to notice the things that don't belong, and then you're going to be able to put them back where they do belong, which reduces the clutter in your house. It's a really fun brain trick that we get to play, and our brains really enjoy it because, one, it's a game. You get to beat the time. Two, you're not looking for what needs to stay. You're looking for what needs to go, which is a different type of brain activity. Think about those, these two pictures, which one's different? And so you have to try and differentiate between what belongs and what doesn't. By using this strategy, you're going to be able to retrain your brain to see the things that don't belong in your home, and then it's going to make it easier to pick it up and put it where it belongs. It totally reduces the overwhelm because we're taking away the amount of time. We're keeping it 60 seconds. Your brain will be okay with 60 seconds. When I say 15 minutes, I have seen ADHDers just kind of be like, oh, it's a long time. If that's the case, try 1 minute. If you're like, I can do 15 minutes, then do 15-minute micro declutter. But this one trick of starting with 60 seconds to find the items that don't belong and then putting them away before the timer beeps is going to be such a game changer. I want you to try it. Let me know down below how this worked for you. And if you enjoyed this video, I know you're going to love this